just more than books, it's more than tools. It's discipline, respect, and gold rules. Yeah. From a dream in the heart of the nation to a vision turning lives around. Servol open doors of opportunity, planting hope on solid ground. With caring hands and strong direction, we rise, we learn, we stand tall. Building futures, shaping destinies, there's a place for one and all. No matter where you're coming from, there's a skill for you to find. A brighter road, a brand new start. Leave your doubt behind. Servol giving skills for life, training hearts and training hands. From classroom dreams to working teams, we're building this great land. Step inside, let your future begin. Success is the goal we pursue with every skill and every win. Servol believes in you. Servol believes in you. Servol believes in you. Auto mechanics turning engines strong, welding sparks flying all day long. Electrical installation lighting up the way, building construction raising dreams each day. Plumbing works with steady hands, carpentry shaping homes across the land. Cosmetology bringing beauty